Hey guys, I'm here with Brooke at the Green Pig Strawberry U-Pick. I've been practicing that, I got it right. So, Brooke is going to tell us where are we and just tell us a little bit about the U-Pick.
So it's our first year doing a U-Pick, strawberry U-Pick. We're right on McPherson Road, just outside of Salisbury. We have 22,000 strawberry plants that we planted last year. And so they're producing this year. They just started producing about last week. So we now have enough berries for everyone to come and pick for a couple hours. And yeah.
So we've actually already picked our strawberries. Jessica can pan around here. Jess is on the camera today. That's our beautiful fresh picked strawberries.
Aren't they delicious?
Awesome. So we just want to highlight that you said that these plants were planted last year.
Yeah.
So like how much work, and just describe some of the process that goes into creating this.
It's a really big process. So you have to go through and you have to plant each plant. We do have a planter, but you have to go and you have to push them and cover the roots after they've been planted. And then the year that they've been planted, you have to go through and you have to snip off every single blossom that you see on every plant so that they don't produce strawberries the first year, because that'll kind of diminish their production for the next year. So you go, you snip off all the blossoms. You have to make sure you weed everything thoroughly. We like to try to weed as much as we can manually. We don't like to use sprays very much, so we do a lot of extra labor because of that. And then, basically the next year, so it takes a full year, the next year they'll start producing, but you always have to keep up with the maintenance on them. So
that's a full year before you even get anything produced. Putting all those man hours in. And I just want to highlight that point that Brooke made, that they're spending extra man hours manually weeding so that they don't have to use pesticides on the plants. So keep that in mind. What you're not just coming for an experience, but you're getting like a quality product that's not been doused in pesticides. Tell us a little bit about how much. What are we going to pay when we get here?
So there's a $5 entrance fee to pay once you get here. And then it's $2 a pound for strawberries if you bring your own container. We weigh your container, and then once you pick your strawberries, we'll subtract the weight of your container. It's $2 a pound. If you don't have any containers, we have strawberry boxes here. They are $3.50 for a full box, and if you want to buy a whole flat, which is 12 boxes, it's $42. And we also have our strawberries pre-picked available at the market. If you'd like to purchase them there, it's $57 a flat. So
amazing. So guys, every bit real good value here, and just an awesome experience. The weather's great. Come out to Salisbury, check this out. It's a lot of effort that Brooke and her team are putting in here. You're going to really enjoy the experience. You're going to really enjoy the fresh food. Just awesome. Get out to Salisbury and the Green Pig Strawberry U-Pick and the Green Pig
Country Market.
Country Market.